Well, hey, Shug, you want to learn how to do this neat text animation in Figma? Well, you have come to the right place because I'm going to teach you how to do it as quickly as I possibly can. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, to make a text layer, hit Shift-A for an auto layout frame. Duplicate it, edit the second word, and to get that outline, what I did was I changed a stroke on it and I killed the fill. There you go. Make a rectangle. From there, you're going to head to your plugins and you're going to run the Noisy Gradients plugin. I love this plugin. If you don't have it yet, go get it. Keep generating until you find the one you like, or you can adjust the color scheme for whichever one you happen upon. As long as your rectangle's highlighted, whenever you hit insert, it's just going to drop it right in there. You can also adjust how many pixels in width your gradient is. It's my favorite plugin, to be completely honest. Select your first text layer. While hitting Shift, select the second, then press Ctrl-G to group them together. Once that's done, right-click, hit Send to Back, and then drop them behind that gradient fill. Once you've done all that, you're going to select all of that shit, and then go up to the top and hit Use as Mask, and voila! Look at that. Gorgeous. Alright, now pay attention because this next part takes a little bit of thinkery. So you're going to want to duplicate each of those layers. I do it by clicking Alt and dragging, and then on the left-hand panel, I will open each mask group and select the rectangles. That's where your gradient lives. So what I like to do is I resize, kind of move around, alter the rectangle to give a different placement of the gradient in each text layer, as demonstrated here. Now, if you want to prototype, groups can't be framed. You can't be prototyped with groups, so you got to turn those groups into frames. You do that by selecting the group, and then at the top right-hand panel where you see the word group, just click that drop down and click frame. That's, how you get ready to start prototyping. All right, Boots, so you're going to switch over into prototype mode, and you're going to take that first frame, connect it to your second, and then hit Smart Animate. We're going to do after delay, trigger 1 millisecond, and we're going to have that animation execute over the course of like 650 milliseconds, I think is what I did. Mess with ease in, ease out, whatever, to play with the animation style and see what that all looks like. Connect 2 to 3, 3 back to 1, so it's a continuous loop, and shoot dang, you got yourself a prototype. Just in case you forgot what it looks like, here it is again, and I hope I hope we're all fine. I hope everybody's okay. Thanks.